In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Windows 10 Auto Update permanently. Before we start, a quick note. Turning off automatic updates means your computer may miss important security patches and bug fixes. Ideally, you should only do this if you understand the risks, or if updates are causing serious issues and you plan to check for updates manually from time to time. With that in mind, let's walk through the process carefully. First, go to your desktop and click on the Start menu. In the search bar, type Services and open the Services app. This is where Windows manages a lot of background processes. Be careful here and only change what we talk about in this video. Once the Services window is open, you'll see a long list of services arranged alphabetically. Scroll down slowly until you find Windows Update. When you see it, double-click on it to open its properties. This is the core service that checks for and installs Windows updates. In the Properties window, look for the Startup Type drop-down menu. By default, it's usually set to manual or automatic. Click on that drop-down and change it to Disabled. This tells Windows not to start the update service automatically in the background. Before you apply the change, look just below that for the Service Status section. If it says Running, click on the Stop button. This immediately stops any update process currently in progress. After that, click Apply, and then click OK to save and close the window. At this point, the Windows Update service is disabled, which prevents Windows 10 from automatically downloading and installing updates in the background. To make sure the change has taken effect, you can confirm that the startup type shows as disabled, and the service is no longer running. If you ever want to re-enable automatic updates, simply repeat these steps. Open the Services app. Find Windows Update. Double-click it. Change the startup type back to manual or automatic. Click Start under Service Status. Then Apply and confirm. Even with automatic updates turned off, it's a good idea to open Windows Update manually every so often. You can do this by going to Settings, then Update and Security, and choosing Windows Update. From there, you can click Check for Updates when you're ready, so you stay in control of when changes are installed. And that's how you permanently turn off automatic updates in Windows 10 while still keeping the option to update on your own schedule.